This video is for those who cannot beautifully and accurately glue the fabric insert into the base for the pendant. There are 3 reasons why this might happen. Reason number 1. You didn't cut the cardboard shape correctly. Most often, this problem occurs with curly bases, but it can also occur with round ones. To properly cut the shape printed on cardboard, pressing down well with your fingers, then cut out the shape along the inside edge. But this is not all. Reason number 2. You didn't take into account the thickness of the fabric and the thickness of the embroidery. When you cut out the shape from the cardboard with scissors, it will fit snugly into the base. This is good if your embroidery is on silk or thin cotton fabric. But if you have embroidered on thick cotton or linen, or your embroidery is thick, you will have problems. You need to make a gap for this thickness. The easiest way to do this is with a nail file. Simply file the cardboard shape with a nail file to create space for the fabric. Reason number 3. You are not used to the glue that you use to glue the pendant. For gluing, a transparent universal adhesive is most often used, which is suitable for both fabric and metal. It can be UV glue or whatever you like. Any glue has instructions, but you still have to get used to how much glue to pour and when to apply the fabric. Most likely, the glue should dry out a little, and only then the fabric should be strongly pressed against the base. But be careful. If there is too much glue, then a drop can come out and flood the embroidery of fabric. That is why you need to get used to your glue. So, if you have cut out the cardboard base to the correct shape, take into account the gap for the fabric and learn how to calculate the correct amount of glue. Then your pendant will be perfect.